Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. It's time to put in your warm season vegetable and herb gardens.
You should have a nice sheltered area prepared with lots of fresh organic mulch and starter fertilizer and good drainage. Most warm weather varieties are in stock now and more arriving daily.
Tomatoes, peppers, squash, cucumbers, lettuce, even things like Swiss chard, beans, peas, artichokes, and strawberries. There are many different tomato varieties to choose from, but there's something you should know before choosing your tomatoes. On the tags or on our plant signs, tomato varieties are designated as either determinate or indeterminate varieties.
Determinate means that the plant will grow until the flower sets on the top of the terminal bud and then stops growing any larger. Sometimes called bush tomatoes, these varieties flower all at once and the fruit ripens all about the same time. Often used by gardeners who like to do canning or make tomato sauce so they can harvest a large amount all at once.
Indeterminate or vining tomatoes can continue growing, flowering, and producing all season long. More commonly used by home gardeners to harvest smaller quantities of fresh tomatoes over a long period of time. Great looking herb varieties like basil, chives, cilantro, lavender, mint, oregano, parsley are also available at this time. You should get them started now. Most varieties of herbs and vegetables prefer 6 to 8 hours of morning sun and protection from the hot afternoon sun in the extreme heat. Give squash, cucumbers, and melons plenty of room to spread out. Keep the fruit from touching the wet ground by using a layer of straw, horse bedding, or cedar mulch under the plants.
Use tomato cages or support stakes for tomatoes and string trellises or wire supports for vining peas and beans. If you have trouble with your tomatoes setting fruit, use the Blossom Set Spray and keep your soil evenly moist but not too wet.
Fruit and vegetable production take a lot of water and nutrients out of the soil. Use Dr. Q's vegetable and tomato food to keep crops strong and healthy.
Check out our free Star Notes 205 and number 215 at starnursery.com or on our free app. And don't miss our tomato giveaway where you'll receive a free Early Girl tomato plant with any purchase.
And remember, we make house calls. Go into your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.